Hi everyone, today I'm going to give you a very important information how to get your baby protected from electric sockets and multi-plug adapters lying on the floor in your house. It could be that though you refrain your kid from touching the electric plugs or electric socket, but still then if you are very busy in the house, it could be that there are chances of your baby putting his or her hands into the electric socket and getting electrocuted. So this is a low-lying electric socket. You see this plastic piece is an electric socket protector. You can insert this plastic piece into the electric socket as you see here, and still then plug in the devices that you want to use. I'll now show you how to get this plastic piece into the socket and till then plug in the devices that you want to use. You see this socket is empty. I'm going to now put one of these pieces into the socket. The protector has a sticker behind. You can glue it into the socket, but I think it's not necessary because it might be difficult for you to then pull the protector out if in case you want to do it. So now I'm going to put the protector into the socket, and that's it. So it's now firmly in, and you see two pinholes there. In Europe you usually have 2-pin plugs, and now I'll show you how to insert the plug of a device. So this is a 2-pin plug here, and so you get the pins into the 2 holes of the protector, and then you should twist it to the direction, and then the plug goes in nicely. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Great.